Oh my goodness, these are so cute. Welcome to the review. Today, you guys, we're doing a quick little review of these springtime wooden decorations that you get to paint. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. These are adorable. What a fun little set to give you something fun to do. In this set, you're going to get a bunch of eggs, some different size bunnies, and you can paint these however you want. One of the things I love about this set is you get all of the paint, you get brushes, and you get markers. So you can decorate these to your heart's content however you want. Yes, bunnies and eggs typically represent Easter time, but you could also make some adorable spring decor out of these as well. Paint a bunch of flowers on there. Put whatever you want on there. Greg put his talents to work, and he used everything that came in this kit to show you guys just how much fun you can have with these. It's simple, it's easy, and it comes with enough to share with your friends as well. So this would be a great kit for your kids and yourself. You could sit at the table and do this project together. Who doesn't love to relax and paint fun things? If you're looking for a fun little painting craft to do, we recommend these.